Yo, it's that bro Nez, and I'm just doing a little quick review on something I picked up. It's the Good Grips electronic cleaning brush. Check it out right there. Just a little quick review, something I picked up, and I figure, for the people who don't really get to see what this looks like, I figure I'll put it on here just so you can see. This is what this bad boy looks like. This is how it comes packaged. It's basically what it says. It's an electronic cleaning brush. Let's get this out the package here. Uh, Get this thing open. Okay. Okay, so this is what we got. Bam, right here. That's what it looks like on the back of the package. You can pause and read it if you want. It's your barcode. Satisfaction guaranteed. Basically what it says. It's retractable. So this is your little, it's a nice size. It's a rubber. It gets in there. You clean out the edges of the monitor and stuff like that, getting little cracks and crevices of the of your keyboard or whatever. And this is your little mini brush right here, so you can get in there and like brush it off. Oh, this is really soft. This is really soft, but yet it's hard enough to that it's rigid enough so that way you can actually really clean really well. So this is something just cut and simple, real quick, on the Good Grips electronic cleaning brush for those who were just curious what this looks like. I'm Dapper Inez, and I'm out this piece. I'll put the links in the description where you can get it.